Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everybody. I'm ex Last Corporal Timi Olamileko. Thanks to everybody that they supported me, people that stand for me. My mother, Yagba, Clever, Shegun, my management, every one of you, and my fans, and even people that did not even know me before that standed for me, and all the bloggers. I really appreciate every one of you. I've been released. So I was arrested because of a video I make saying that the ministers, the governors, and the local government chairman, all the politicians, they should bring their son into army to fight the terrorists. And this is the reason why I'm arrested. From my location, they handcuffed me, both leg and hand. It was just as if I steal or I kill. They moved me from there because I was inside bush. And I've been there for about 4 years, 9 months. I've been staying in that bush, in that location. So from there, they moved me to Maiduguri, 7 Div, Provost, MP guard room. From there, they took me to Abuja, SIB. I was there more than a month. They brought me back from Abuja to 7 Div. They took me back to my location, and I was still locked up with handcuff in leg and hand, as if I steal. Before a day, they woke me and they give me a paper for my charge. They give me 4-count charge, but I'm going to be giving details later because I can't give every details now. And they call for my order, and they do the count charge, the first charge, the second charge, the third charge, the fourth one, and I was dismissed regiment, just because of the video I make, because I feel like I don't even expect this, that yes, in our country we don't have freedom of speech, and we are not free to say the truth. Thanks to everybody that supported me. I appreciate every one of you, and may God continue to bless you. So I'm not going to be talking too much now, but I'll be giving details. I've really suffered. I suffered a lot in Abuja with handcuff in my leg and my hand over a month. Even the feeding was 2 times a day. Small food, just like, even it's not even up to 500 naira food. No calling. I can't talk to my family. I can't talk to anybody. They collected my phone throughout. It was when they dismissed me, they marched me out. They dismissed me from my unit, and they brought me to 7 Div. From 7 Div, they marched me out of the barrack as a dismissed regiment. It's so sad. It's so sad, but I don't have anybody to fight for me, but I know God is going to fight for me, because I don't think this is, it's not supposed to be. Thanks to all the bloggers that keeping use their voice. So please, I want people to still stand for me for this, to help me to fight for the justice, because I never expect this. Honestly, I've spent 8 years inside this service. Since 2018, I joined this army, and I've never for once been charged, if not because of this social media. I've never fight anybody. I've never steal. I've never kill anybody. I've never do any ammunition things before. But because I said the truth on social media, and I wish feel like everybody have his own opinion, and it's just a suggestion. because I can't give the order. I was dismissed because of this. I really suffered. It really suffered me a lot. I spent 4 years, 9 months in Maiduguri. Nobody talked about to change me. But no problem. Glory be to God. When there's life, there's still hope. Thank you very much, everybody.